Hey gang, welcome to another Imperfect Foods unboxing. It's Amy here. You should know that. You should already be following me on YouTube. But let's see what's in my box this week. Thanksgiving box. I'm not cooking for Thanksgiving. However, I still have to eat during the week. Let's move this a little bit closer. So, Imperfect takes the stuff that is like nearing the expiration date, or it's not perfect for the grocery store but completely edible, and sends it straight to your house. Okay. I love that the holiday stuff is back. I got this last holidays. This stuff is the bomb. It is the Nutty Toffee morsels. They are so tasty and yummy and delicious, and they're going right over here on my snack. Right over here on my snack shelf, even though they don't fit. Then, you know, instead of spending a gazillion dollars on pumpkin spice lattes, just get your own pumpkin syrup. Here's the thing. I'm also going to make a pumpkin martini with this. I saw an awesome recipe. We're going to be mixing that up. Maybe I'll do a YouTube video about it. Who knows? So, of course, it is the holiday, so I'm trying to eat healthier when I'm not indulging in the holiday goodness. So I got a whole bunch of veggies here. It looks like I got a cucumber, a zucchini, some celery, whoop, some carrots. It's gonna go with some hummus that I got, not in this box, but elsewhere. For a snack on the go, I decided to get a gingerbread RX bar because pumpkin season's almost over. I love everything gingerbread. I'm upset at Starbucks that they don't have the gingerbread latte anymore. Boo, Starbucks. Can't forget Kitty. So, even though you were on the naughty list this year, she wasn't really on the naughty list. You deserve treats. Tasty tinsel made with sweet potatoes, pumpkin, and whitefish. She wants nothing to do with them already. Got a couple avocados. Again, hope I don't forget them. Gonna put them in my paper. See, they're not super ripe, so what you do, wrap them up in some paper, put them in your pantry, and let them ripen up. Okay. Oh, I got these really beautiful jazz apples. I think they're from New Zealand. About 2 years ago, I was in New Zealand. Beautiful food there. Then, oh, one more apple. Oh, that's awesome, because I was supposed to only get 2 apples. They gave me a bonus apple. Then we have some oranges. They're navel oranges. They're probably a little too small for the grocery store, but they're perfectly edible for me. Perfect size there. I got some potatoes. These are great. Chop them up, throw them in the air fryer. I don't know, chop them up, make some potato soup. Right over there in the pantry. Right over there. And finally, my cold pack, which I always forget to put my cold packs out, but they recycle them. If you know you're getting a delivery, you can take all this, stick it there for the delivery driver, but I always forget, so I have a huge pile by my door right now. So I splurged a little brunchy munchy. Quiche Lorraine. Now here's the thing, most quiches have onions in it. The Imperfect one here, no onion, which means I can eat it because onions trigger my migraines. And then finally, another splurge. I got some ground lamb, going with the whole New Zealand theme with the apples. I'm gonna make some lamb chili. I wanna make some chili, but you know what? I wanna spruce it up a little bit. Not turkey, not beef, not the regular. Let's do something fancy. Let's do some lamb chili. Anyway, that is in my Imperfect Foods box. If you want to join the food revolution to help reduce waste and wasted food, go ahead, ask me for a referral code. I'll get you a few dollars off a few boxes, or a lot of money off of one box, or whatever special they're offering at the time. Also, be sure to hit like, subscribe, watch another video. It's in one of these corners. Have a happy Thanksgiving, and until next time, keep cooking imperfect. Hey, bonus scene, because guess what? I forgot something in my box. I got these dark chocolate caramels by the sea salt. As charming as a seaside town, but without the unpredictable weather. They claim that they're simply delightful. Yeah, this is like my Marvel's post-credit scene. So I'm gonna try these. They'll be yummy too. Bye.